Good evening, one and all. This is K. Raghavendra, PGT in Social Studies at TTWS Boys Conservatory. Today, we are going to learn about the ocean relief features. Relief means physical. Ocean, physical features of the oceans. Okay. The surface of the sea floor looks like a flattened ground. But bottom of this ocean or sea, the ocean floor looks like our Earth's surface. Earth's surface consists of hills, mountains, valleys, and plains, plateaus. Similarly, in the ocean floors also have that. Our scientists classified the ocean surface as 4 categories. They are continental shelf, continental slope, trenches, sea plains or abyssal plains. See this picture, student. This picture explains about relief features of an ocean. This is the ocean surface. This ocean surface looks like a flat ground, but the bottom of the ocean floor does not look like a playground or flattened area. It is a different types of the land. It has the different types of the landforms like hills, mountains, plateaus, trenches, plains. Okay. Our scientists has classified 4 categories of the ocean floor. First one is the continental shelf. Second one is the continental slope. Third one trench and the deep sea plains. The continental shelf starts with the continent and spreads up to continental slope. This continental shelf slopes down to a depth of about 130 meters. Up to 130 meters. And the average width of this continental shelf goes to 75 kilometers. 75 kilometers. This continental shelf is playground for the fishing. And in this zone, there are the plenty of the minerals like petroleum and natural gas. This is the continental slope. Continental slope starts from the ending point of the continental shelf and it reaches up to the deep sea plains. This continental slope spreads from between the 200 meters depth to 2000 meters. It occupied the 8.5% of the area of the ocean floor. And after that, the deep sea plains. These deep sea plains are the most wide area occupied on the ocean floors. It is more than 70% of area occupied by the sea plains. And finally, ocean trenches. The trenches are long, narrow depressions in the ocean floor. These trenches reach from this 7,000 meters to 11,000 meters below the sea level. It occupies 1% of the total surface area of this ocean floor. And Mostly trenches are abundant in the Pacific Ocean. This is the Mariana Trench. The Mariana Trench is the deepest part of the world's ocean. This Mariana Trench is in the part of the Pacific Ocean. It is below the Japan, and this trench depth is 11,000 kilometers below the sea level. Students, look at this. This is the India. East side of the India, Bay of Bengal. West side of the India, Arabian Ocean. And south side of India, this is the Indian Ocean. Okay. Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal both are the part in Indian Ocean. In this ocean, there are many islands and trenches and hills, some other places. Students, look at this picture. This is the surface of the Indian Ocean. In this ocean, there are many plains, trenches and mountains. Thank you, students. In the next class, we will discuss about the movements of the ocean water.